Today I'll walk you through how to create a new Kanban board in Jira, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to set up your Kanban board so you can streamline your project management and enhance your team's productivity. Let's dive right in. First, look at the left navigation sidebar in your Jira dashboard. You'll see a plus icon next to either spaces or projects. Go ahead and click that plus icon. This is your starting point for creating a new board. Next, you'll be presented with a templates menu. Here, you can either scroll through the options or use the search function to find the Kanban template. Once you locate it, select Kanban. This template is specifically designed for visualizing your workflow. Now, take a moment to review the template overview. This overview will show you the standard workflow columns, which typically include to do, in progress, and done. These columns are essential for continuous work tracking, helping you visualize your team's progress, so don't rush through this step. After familiarizing yourself with the template, it's time to name your board. Type a clear and descriptive name such as Marketing Kanban or Dev Pipeline. This will help you and your team quickly identify the purpose of the board. Think of it like labeling a storage box for easy access. Next, you'll need to choose your starting setup. This includes selecting your initial columns and deciding whether you want to include sample issues to test the workflow. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. The options may vary based on your Jira version. Once you've made your selections, click the Create button. Jira will generate your new Kanban board and bring you straight to it. From here, you can begin creating cards and dragging them across the columns to reflect your team's progress. It's like moving tasks along a conveyor belt. And there you have it. You've successfully created a new Kanban board in Jira. This tool will help you manage your projects more effectively and keep your team aligned. This helped you out. Please give the video a thumbs up.